Do you know how your phone sends a message to another phone? The answer is a network. Let's understand it in a simple way. Hi there, I hope you are having a great day. Together, let's make today's topic simple and interesting. In the last video, we learned about data flow. Today, we will learn about networks. So, let's get started. A network is a group of connected devices. These devices can share data and resources. For example, computers, phones, printers, and servers. When devices are connected, they can communicate with each other. A network helps us share file. It helps us share the internet. Also helps us devices communicate with each other. Without a network, devices cannot easily share data. There are four main types of network: PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. Let's learn them one by one. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. I will see you in the next video.